We are here at the beautiful, beautiful beach. When I look into these rock pools, I don't just see seaweeds, I see sea vegetables. And with that one name change from seaweeds to sea vegetables, immediately it's a perception shift. There is such a beautiful diversity of seaweeds here along your Namibian coastline. You get around 197 different species of seaweed, which is absolutely incredible. So when it comes to harvesting seaweeds, the best method is to use a little pair of scissors or a little knife and to give your seaweeds a little haircut. The more you leave behind, the easier it is for the seaweeds to regenerate. The best is never to collect from a concentrated area, kind of rock hop as you go along the coast so that you can spread your harvesting load. The most fundamental connection that we have to nature is through food. So when we step into spaces like this and really connect hands-on with place and space in terms of ingredients, foraging for your food just ticks all of those boxes.
I'm Chef Ainsley, head chef at Ocean Cellar. I'm really excited to get some new inspiration for our signature dishes.
Yeah, we've collected some beautiful ingredients. I think it's time to start cooking.
For sure. So today we're going to do a seaweed salad, and nigiri seaweed and beer better seaweed.
That sounds delicious. Let's get unpacking these beautiful seaweeds here. We've washed and prepped our seaweeds. Let's get cooking.
Let's start. So we just blanched the tomatoes, and now it's to get to the salad.
Yeah. And there we have it.
So for the next dish, we're gonna dust them into flour and then dip them to the beer batter and into the fryer.
Beautiful.
Okay, cook is all done. Let's start plating. Now I'm prepping grilled fish and seaweed salad.
Chef, it was a joy to take you out into the intertidal zone today to look at all of the beautiful diversity of edible seaweeds that you have along your coastline. What was your favorite seaweed here today?
That will be the sea lettuce, where I can more improve them into more of my salads and the new dishes.
I'm really excited to see what Chef is going to be creating here on the menu at Ocean Cellar.